Hello everyone, today we're gonna make this 3D model in Fusion 360, a basic 3D exercise for beginners to help you get familiar with the workspace and tools. So just follow along step by step and let's jump right into the tutorial. Before we begin our first sketch, make sure we have a new design file open and ready here. Okay, first we will make this profile and body with their dimensions here. So let's create a new sketch. Select this plane. Then select this 3-point arc tool. Click here, and click here. Apply a coincident constraint between this point and this center point. Add a vertical constraint between this point and this center point, and then this point and this center point. Dimension this arc radius to 30 millimeters. Then select the line tool. Select this point. Type the dimension directly here, 45 millimeters. Then select the line tool again. Select this point. Click here and click this checkmark icon. Apply a vertical constraint between this point and this point. Then select the offset tool. In the curve section, select the sketch. Input the distance here, 8 millimeters. Enter a negative sign to change the offset direction. Click OK. Select the line tool again. Select this point and this point. Then this point and this point. Okay, next we'll extrude the sketch profile to add thickness. And before that, make sure there's a padlock icon next to the sketch in the browser here that shows it's fully constrained. And also, make sure to do this for every sketch that we create. So click on Solid tab, select the Extrude tool. Make sure the sketch profile is selected here. In the Direction section, select the Sides option. Then input the side 1 thickness here, 40 millimeters. And the side 2 thickness here, 40 millimeters. Click OK. Next, we'll create this profile or contour on this body. So create a new sketch. Select this face. Select the rectangle tool. Select this point and select this edge. Then select this point and select this edge. Dimension this line to 16 millimeters. Apply a vertical constraint between this point and this point. Okay, next we'll extrude the sketch profile to create a cut. So click on Solid tab, select the Extrude tool. In the Profile section, select the Sketch Profile. Change the operation type here and choose the Cut option. Then input the distance here with a negative value to change the extrude direction. So let's use minus 12 millimeters. And click OK. Next, we will create these two line holes with a depth of 10 millimeters in the solid body. So create a new sketch here. Select this face. Select the circle tool. Click here and type the dimension directly here, 5 millimeters. Then add a dimension from this point to this line, 8 millimeters. And from this point to this line, 4 millimeters. Then select the line tool. Change the line type to construction. Select the center point. Click here and click this check mark icon. Apply a vertical constraint between this point and this point. Then select the mirror tool here. In the object section, select this circle. In the mirror line section, select this construction line. Click OK. Next, we'll extrude the sketch profile to create 2 blind holes. So click on Solid tab, select the Extrude tool. In the Profile section, select the circle profile. Change the operation type here and choose the cut option. Then input the distance here with a negative value to change the extrude direction, minus 10 millimeters. Click OK. Okay, next we'll create the contours and holes on the other side using the mirror tool. So click here and select the mirror tool. In the object type section, select to the feature option. In the object section, select this feature and this feature. In the mirror plane, select this plane. Click OK. Okay, next we'll be modeling this profile and body with their dimensions here. So create a new sketch again, select this plane. Then select the 3-point arc tool here. Click here, and click here. Apply a vertical constraint between this point and this point. Then between this point and this point. Then apply a horizontal constraint between this center point and this point. Dimension this arc radius to 20 millimeters. Then select the line tool. Click on this point and type the dimension directly here, 36 millimeters. Apply a coincident constraint between this point and this edge. Select the line tool, select this point, click here, and click this check mark icon. Apply a coincident constraint between this point and this edge. Then from the slot tool, select this option, select this point, click here, and click here. Add a dimension from this point to this point, 15 millimeters. And from this line to this line, 23 millimeters. Then select the offset tool here. In the curve section, select the slot profile. Then input the offset distance to 4 millimeters. Enter a negative sign to reverse the offset direction. Click OK. Then click on Solid tab, select the Extrude tool. In the Profile section, select this profile. In the Direction section, select Two Sides option. Input the side 1 thickness here, 15 millimeters. And the side 2 thickness here, 15 millimeters. Click OK. Then show the Sketch 4 profile here. Select the Extrude tool again. In the Profile section, select the Sketch profile. In the Direction section, select Two Sides option. Input the side 1 thickness here, 18 millimeters. And the side 2 thickness here, 18 millimeters. Click OK. Then hide the Sketch 4 profile here. Here, our 3D exercise model is complete, created exactly according to the reference drawing. And with that, our tutorial is also complete. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.